Is your PC complaining that the Msvcp120.dll is missing from your system? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's fix that library mismatch today. This DLL file is the Microsoft C++ standard library for Visual Studio 2013. It manages system resource calls and complex data logic for applications and games relying on the 2013 Visual C++ runtime environment. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The professional protocol for this error is a fresh installation of Microsoft Visual C++. Navigate to the Microsoft site to download the Visual C++ redistributable packages for x86 and x64, then complete both installations. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Msvcp120 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of the Msvcp120.dll that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. Don't let a missing library reference slow you down. Follow the link below for the official repair tool to manage the Msvcp120 environment. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for future Microsoft Visual C++ or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.